Welcome to room 322, a premium room here at Sea Central in Palm Jumeriah. The premium room features a walk-in shower with rainfall shower head and detachable spray. You also have a single vanity and shelves. There's also a toilet. There's closets available as well. Every room here at this hotel is going to feature extra pillows, blankets, ironing board, robe, and slippers. Over here, you'll find additional shelves, prayer mat, laundry bag, safe, big enough for a laptop, 2 drawers with silent closing features, shelves, and look at it, even a shoe shelf is down there. You do have complimentary coffee, water, and tea, as well as a mini bar that you can order from, and there is an extra charge for that. The mini bar itself is located right below your tea station, and for now it's empty, but again, it can be stocked, and you would pay for those items. There's also an additional shelf right above the coffee and tea station. Now, this hotel has 10 sets of rooms that do adjoin, so this is something that can be requested in advance. But again, there's only 10, so it is on a first come, first served basis. This room is showcasing 2 twin beds, but it's also available with a king. Now, what makes the premium rooms great is that they all have views of the Palm Jumeriah side, which is considered the beach side. And nice 2-person seating balconies. So if you are interested in this room, or if you would like to ask any questions, be sure to give Mayfield Elite Travel a call. And remember, I only travel elite.